Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KX450X. This motocrosser just arrived in beautiful shape, only 49 hours on it. It's got a lot of upgrades, including radiator guards, lower full engine guard, full Yoshi exhaust, a service hand guards. It's got guards on the forks, swing arm. Beautiful shape, low mileage. Thrill Seekers seat cover. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, open class motocrosser for just $77.90. Come on by. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.